Hey, well, welcome back or welcome to my channel. I hope you guys have been well. So, my hair is really long at the moment, and as much as I would love to keep it at this length and keep growing it out, I've noticed that the ends, because they're getting split, they're also quite dry, and my hair is also naturally on the dry side. So before my mum does cut my hair, I want to play around with my hair while I've still got this length, and I'm going to show you guys a whole bunch of quick, easy, super cute hairstyles that are beginner friendly. Literally, some of these take not even 5 minutes to do, and I'm not sure how many I'm gonna get through today. We'll see by the end. Let's get hairstyling. So, surprise, we are already in the first hairstyle. Hairstyle number 1, with your hair out in a middle part. See, I told you it was gonna be really simple.
Next is a variation of that first hairstyle. You're going to part a side part, and I'm just using a tail comb here. You can use your fingers, but a tail comb definitely makes it a little bit easier. For this hairstyle, I'm sectioning off 2 parts at the front, tucking them behind my ears, and I'm just going to pin them down just so it keeps that really nice slick back look. For a more relaxed look, you can also pull out some wispies. The next few hairstyles will feature these 2 sectioned off pieces. Tie this bundle of hair into a ponytail just so it's out of the way, and then I'm going to twist these 2 sections at the front, tie them at the back into a ponytail. Once you've tied those sections back, pull out those wispies, let the rest of your hair go, and you're left with this really cute hairstyle. Oh yeah! Next, we're going to do some braiding. If you can't do a braid, you can definitely do a plait. You'll get the same cute effect. We're going to loosen the braid layers now. You can do this while you braid or after you finish braiding. This just makes for a more voluminous look. And once you've done that to one side, you're going to braid the other side, tie those back, and you end up with this pretty braid crown. You could also choose to tie your hair up. I've gone for this low ponytail. So we've got business in the back, featuring that same braid crown at the front. Switching up the type of braid now, so I've made 2 sections parallel to each other, and this time instead of braiding towards your ears, you're going to braid towards the back of your head. Once you've braided back as far as you like, tie those off, and you're left with these 2 pigtails. Taking it a step further, you're going to wrap those 2 pigtails around, tie and pin to secure, and you've got a beautiful top knot. Very nice. Now this is a classic half up, half down. Section off as much as you like, and for this one I've gone with a really high ponytail. For some reason I feel like my hair looks even longer than it is in this hairstyle, and it's just really fun to swash around. And now I'm just plaiting the ponytail. You'll notice this is a common theme throughout the video. I love adding plaits to hairstyles. I think it just levels up the hairstyle. Level up, level up, level up, level up, level up. As you can see, I've just lowered the high pony a little bit because we shall be wrapping a top knot, and I don't like my buns to sit right on top of my head like a unicorn. I've also wrapped my bun a little bit more on the looser side. I think it just looks more flattering on me. This is definitely a favorite. I'm using this same top section from the previous hairstyle, parting it down the middle, and I've just tied the rest of my hair back into a low ponytail. And you're going to tie two very high and very cute swoosh pigtails. Woohoo! So first, what I'm doing here is tying the pigtails into half buns. Do that to both sides, and once you've done that, you're going to wrap the excess around the base of that bun. And I call these spiky or tall buns. Look how cute these are. I don't know why I don't do this hairstyle more often. So cute. And if you're not so much a fan of the spiky buns, you can make this next hairstyle by folding the bun in half, pin to secure, and you've got this more rounded space bun look. And backtracking to 2 hairstyles ago, you were going to use this as your base, and we are, that's right, plaiting. So you're going to plait those 2 high piggies. And I don't think I have to repeat myself anymore. Whenever I do a plait, just know that I always loosen it, so don't forget to do that. And you've got this really cute hairstyle! I don't think I've ever done this hairstyle, but I'm really feeling it. Cheese! Evolving that previous hairstyle, you're going to tie the plaits together and wrap them around until you can wrap no more. And you're going to pin and secure them. Feeling like a Jedi princess now. Where's my lightsaber at? Using that partially tied pigtail hairstyle, you're just going to tie those 2 ponies back. It creates this letter Y, which is why I called it a slingshot pony. You can choose to keep the base free, or for another hairstyle alternative, you can plait the base. Ah yes, now we're into the pony tied section. Another classic, a low side pony. Low pony but at the back, a slick look, or you can pull out those wispies and you've got this chilled look here. Let's take it up a level, so we're going to do a medium height ponytail. I love to do this one instead of a high pony. I think it just looks better on my face and head shape, and I like how long it makes my hair look, especially if I've straightened it. And let's take it 1 notch up. Boom! High ponytail, feeling like Ariana Grande. I whip my hair back and forth, I whip my hair back and forth. Next, high side pony. I haven't done this in ages. Feeling like some sort of pop star. Yeah, yeah. Or like one of those aerobics people. Wow, this hairstyle is taking me back to primary school. Low ponytails. This video's decided to turn into a reminiscing video. Alright, that's cool with me. A variation of this, instead of 2 low ponytails, you're going to bring them up, and you've got these 2 high ponytails. I remember doing this for a Sailor Moon costume. Yes, I know I don't have blonde hair, but hey, I love Sailor Moon too much. Now, slingshot pony time, except instead of having half of your hair out, all of your hair has gone into those ponytails, so it is essentially more of a ponytail. Look how cool that looks. Plait section time. I've got a low side plait. A low plait but at the back of your head. I do this one a lot to go to work. One notch up, we've got a medium height plait here. Swoosh. Look at that swooshy plait. And one more notch up, we've got a high plait. Oh yeah, feel like a helicopter, whoop whoop whoop. A high side plait, not a favourite but not bad. Pippi Longstocking, is that you? Double plait tie, so you're going to tie the plaits together, wrap them around, pin them, and you end up with this mature, sophisticated look. Ooh, look at that. Next is another braid crown or a plait crown. You're going to take those two plaits, wrap them around your head, you're going to pin them down, and I like to just tuck the ties in, hide them so it just looks like you've got a really smooth plait crown. And if you find you've got some wispies, you can just spray them down with some hairspray, or you can just pin them. We got Britney Spears up in here. Oops, I did it again with those plaits. Don't know about this one. For a really easy formal updo, tie and wrap the plaits around, pull to tighten even more, and pin. I just realised now how similar this hairstyle is to the one I did to my Year 12 formal. Ugh, it was so much fun. Someone please take me back. This is our transition into our bun section. You've got your low side bun. I recommend keeping your buns on the looser and full side. Looks much nicer. Yay! A low back bun. Really, really pretty. A medium height bun. This one and the previous hairstyle are the perfect buns to go to ballet class in. Next is our loose top knot. I've started to do this one more. I used to hate doing top knots on me, but now that I have mastered the craft of top knots, I do it a lot more now, and it looks way better on me. Wrap two low ponies into these buns. I feel like that Sushi World girl. You know, Sushi World? Does anyone remember Sushi World? Is Sushi World still a thing? Next you're going to take two high ponies. And we're going to do that same tall bun look. So remember, make a half bun with the ponytail, wrap the excess around the base and pin to secure. I'm really feeling this for some reason, but if you're not, you can do what I'm doing here. I've decided to call these flower buns. Don't they look like flowers? You just have to pull and spread out the top of the bun and secure it. Ah, so cute! Mecha kawaii! We started off with all those hairstyles featuring straight hair. Now I'm going to show you a whole bunch of quick and easy hairstyles featuring curled hair. A lot of these are variations of the straight hairstyles. I feel like curling your hair just completely changes the look. We've got our different leveled ponies. You saw the low side pony at the beginning. Low back, medium height, course, our high ponytails. I love a high ponytail with long hair. Swoosh that pony. Don't forget the high side pony. This one looks really cute with curled hair. 2 low pigtails. High pigtails. Our curled slingshot pony. Can't decide if I like it straight or curled. I actually think I prefer it straight. This one and the next hairstyle are my most worn hairstyles. Middle part and side part with our hair swooshing and out in the wind. Slick back hair look. Also with the wispies. This one here, we've got 2 pigtails. So yeah, like I said, a lot of these are variations of each other, and that's just a really great way to get lots of different hairstyles under your belt by adding, subtracting something from a hairstyle. You could even wave or crimp your hair. Any of these things can just change the whole character of a hairstyle. Anyone got gum? Unplaited version of the wide crown bun that we did earlier in the straight hair section. I love this one. This one is another worn one. You could also add more braids or cornrows, whatever you like to call them. And again, don't worry if you can't braid. Twist them like this. It's a great and easy alternative. I think the more braids you add, the more volume you get, especially if you've got your hair curled like I do for this hairstyle. You can also tie them all together to create a ponytail. And one more step further for a different hairstyle, what I'm going to do here is do a half bun. This is not a boring look at all. There's just so much going on. You've got height, you've got the curl, you've got the bun. What a great hairstyle to finish on.
So that was it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and all of the hairstyles. Hopefully you saw some hairstyles that you liked and that you could add to your repertoire of hairstyles. So have a lovely day, night, evening, whatnot, wherever it is that you are. And I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!